Hello traders, and welcome to this new daily market update. My name is Mehdi and I'm going to be your host for the next 5 minutes. I'm really sorry because I wasn't able, I wanted to do, even more, more updates. But yesterday and today, I've been a little bit sick, so I wasn't able, to make the 5 videos. So in order, to compensate for the lack of, videos during these 2 days, um, I am going to do 10 videos, on Saturday and 10 videos on Sunday. So I'm going to go through more pairs so that you can get ready, for the week after. So I was discussing in the comments today and yesterday with with a new subscriber that I'm saying hi to you, even though I don't know your name, and I wish that you like what you see until now. And we've had an interesting conversation about about the cable. So what I wanted to do right now, I just wanted to give you an idea of what I think might be possible for the cable or the GBPUSD pair. So let's get at it. Right now, what I see happening, I see that we are in a corrective phase, and things might get a little bit complicated. I mean, trading might get a little bit complicated, but this is not going to last for too long. So right now, if you want to get an idea of where you are, you just have to, as I've been showing during the last videos, or most of my videos. So you have to know exactly where you are by plotting this channel, because we have a channel right now. This is a channel, and as you can see right now, we are at the middle of the range. So still, I'm going to say it, and I'm going to say it again, there isn't much to do right now. Okay, so we can even go in, maybe in a lower time frame, but we aren't going to get the information that we need. I mean to make it, to take a trade, because all I see right now, if you want to trade, and to trade with confidence, I know that in the 4 hours, in the 4 hour, we have an impulse. Okay, so we have an impulse. It means that we have an impulse, and we have an almost horizontal correction. And what it does mean, it means that a price is strong to the upside. Okay, so I mean, overall price is strong to the upside. So in order to trade something that is still in a corrective phase, like you see, all of this is a correction, all of this is a correction, and this is what makes it challenging if you are trying, I mean, to just take a trade. Of course you can day trade. We can we can switch to lower time frames, and we can find opportunities. So for example, if you are going to trade, like, say tomorrow, what you can do, you can simply wait for price to break. As you can see, this is an important level. Why? Because it held here and here, and it did held a little bit here before retesting this level, meaning that this level is a major level, and moving moving down. Okay, but the thing is that I want to show you something else, which is more important than what I'm showing, because I don't like to do I don't like to do to just forecast, just to do a forecast, because some days I don't have an I don't have an inspiration, so I'm not inspired much. Why? Because this is a correction, okay? And a correction is very hard to trade, and it's not the right place, to be, because you would have been here, when price was moving, like strongly, like to the downside, and then it has formed, like this kind of, like bottom. Then you can start looking, like for a buy, etc. So you were in a trade, in a trend. Right now we are still in an uptrend, but what I would like to see, a break of this level, okay? If I need to have any confidence, I would wait to see a break of this level. So what I would expect, like price to come and break this level. As you can see, there is a confluence here. So we found a confluence. I'm happy because I love confluences. And then we can see price, like moving back up once it tags this low and goes a little bit below. And as you can see, I didn't plan it. I'm doing, like this analysis live. And as you can see, what did I find? What did I find? I found a confluence level, which is, which is, like the intersection between this horizontal level that is a major level, because, like when you have a correction and when price usually in a horizontal correction, when price usually tags the low of that correction or the swing low of that correction in an uptrend, it means that, like the price is getting ready, like to reverse back and to continue and to go upside. This is something that I've learned, and I've learned it, like the hard way, because I was expecting price to move down, but like you shouldn't, as I always say, you shouldn't, like anticipate any kind of move. So anyways, so you have it. So what I would like to wait, I would like to wait for price, like to come to this confluence area. And then if I see, like a rejection, and if I see price, like close above this level, then I have an opportunity to buy. Okay, thank you, and I will be back tomorrow with more videos.